Now, this university has international students in mind, in the sense that they have so many funding opportunities available to international students. So, first is a full tuition waiver, and the second is maintenance stipend. Friends, today we are going to explore the University of Sheffield. Now, this university is located in the United Kingdom, and this is the website of the university. Now, this university has international students in mind, in the sense that they have so many funding opportunities available to international students. So if you're thinking of pursuing an undergraduate or a graduate degree program, then I'll recommend this university to you. But for today, we're going to look at just one of the universities that is open to international students. Maybe in subsequent videos, I'm going to look at the other scholarship programs or funding opportunities available in this university. So the scholarship program you're looking at today is Alan and Nesta Ferguson Charitable Trust Masters Scholarship. And this scholarship is for eligible students starting their course in 2023. So it means that you can still apply to this university. Application is still open. And if you are an international student from a developing country, for a number of courses that is affiliated to this university, then you will be eligible to apply for the scholarship. So first of all, let's look at the countries that are eligible to apply. So if you are a national or permanently domiciled in one of the following countries I'm about to list, then prepare your documents to apply to these universities. If you're from Afghanistan, Angola, Armenia, Bangladesh, Benin, Bhutan, Bolivia, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cabo Verde, Cambodia, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Comoros, Congo, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic People's Republic of Korea, Democratic Republic of Congo, Djibouti, Egypt, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Gambia, Georgia, Ghana, Guatemala, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Guyana, Haiti, Honduras, India, Indonesia, Kenya, Kiribati, Kosovo, Kyrgyzstan, Lao People's Democratic Republic, Lesotho, Libya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, Micronesia, Moldova, Mongolia, Morocco, Mozambique, Myanmar, Nepal, Nicaragua, Niger, Nigeria, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Paraguay, Philippines, Rwanda, Samoa, Sao Tome and Principe, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Sudan, Sri Lanka, Sudan, Swaziland, Syria Arab Republic, Tajikistan, Tanzania, Timor-Leste, Togo, Tuvalu, Tuvalu, Uganda, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu, Vietnam, West Bank and Gaza Strip, Yemen, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Okay, so these are the countries that if you're a national from, or if you are a citizen, or you are a domicile in this country, then you can apply to. Okay, so let's look at the eligibility criteria they look out for in selecting students to be part of the scholarship program. First of all, you must have an offer to study in this university before Friday, 1st May 2023 for the following study course at the University of Sheffield in the 2023-2024 academic year: International Development, Environmental Change and International Development, International Development in Masters in Public Health, International Law and Global Justice, international political economy, global journalism, international public and political communication, and intercultural communication. So any of these programs that I mentioned, you can apply to and you'll be considered for the scholarship. The second criteria is you must be classified as overseas for tuition fee purpose. That is, you should be classified as an international student. The third is you must be self-funded to receive this award. That is, you are not funded by a research council, by the government, by a private enterprise, charity, or any similar organization. Okay. And the fourth criteria is the scholarship cannot be awarded in conjunction with any other funding awards, either from the University of Sheffield or external sources. The fifth is your mode of attendance must be full-time. The sixth criteria is you must begin your studies at the University of Sheffield in 2023 and the scholarship cannot be deferred. The seventh criteria is receipt of the scholarship is subject to successfully meeting any conditions attached to your offer before the deadline provided by the admissions office. The eighth criteria is receipt of the scholarship is subject to successfully receiving a visa to study at a university in September 2023. So these are the conditions or the criteria you must meet to be considered for the scholarship. Now let's look at the benefits of the scholarship. Now the scholarship only has two benefits. The first is a full tuition waiver and the second is maintenance stipend. Okay, for the maintenance stipend, I do not know if it's for every month or it is a yearly thing or it is a one-time thing. I have no idea about it. You can still find out from the school and they'll be in the best position to address that issue. I'll leave an email address for you to contact them at the end of the video. So how do you apply for this scholarship? First of all, you will be automatically considered for the scholarship if you receive an offer to study one of the eligible courses before the date listed above. And if you are a national or permanently domiciled in one of the eligible countries or territories. So that is it. So I will take you through one of the programs, that is the requirements of the program, and on that page you can apply directly for the program, and then you can start with your application process on it. So once you have submitted your application, that is what will happen. Your course application will be assessed by a panel who will decide whether you will progress to the final stage of the application process. Now, if you are selected for the next stage, you will be contacted before 18th of May 2023 to invite you to apply. That's for the scholarship. And if you don't hear from them by the date I have mentioned, then unfortunately you have not been selected this year. Okay, and once you have been selected for the program, you will need to submit an application. So through them reaching out to you that you have moved on to the next stage, a link will be given to you so that you can submit your application for the scholarship as well. Now, if you need detailed information about this scholarship program, you can send message or mail the school through this address: internationalscholarship@sheffield.ac.uk. Okay, they will assist you and answer every question that you have in mind. Now let's look at one of the programs, how you can apply to one of the programs in this university. First of all, you go to the home page, okay, and then you go to study, and then you go to postgraduate thought courses. So it brings you to this page, and then you search for the program. So we are going to search for Masters in Public Health. So this program is one of the programs that you can apply to benefit from the scholarship program. Okay, so they have so many Masters of Public Health programs, but we are looking for the International Development in Masters in Public Health program. So you select that and it will bring you to this then it will bring you to this page. Okay, so this is the page. You get to know how you can apply. So there's the course description, the field, all relevant information about the program, then the duration. It's a 1-year program and it's a coursework program. Okay, and then the possible careers, and then the entry requirements. Okay, this is the most important thing, the entry requirements. So it states here that you can apply with a minimum of 2-1 undergraduate honors degree in social sciences or medical subjects. Okay, so 2-1 is also equivalent to second class upper. They also accept medical students who wish to intercalate their studies. Okay, so that is it. Now if you're an international student, you have to meet their English requirements for international students, and that is an overall IELTS score of 6.5 with a minimum of 6.0 in each component or equivalent. And there are other English language qualifications that they accept. So if you can go through that, I mean, if you have that, they will just go through it and then they will accept it. Okay, so down here is the fees. Okay, their tuition fee, and then for domestic student they are paying £10,300 as their tuition fee. If you're an international student, you are paying £24,400 as your tuition fee, and the scholarship covers this £24,400 scholarship, plus it gives you a maintenance allowance. So please do want to take advantage of it. Now when you're starting your application, I'll take you back to the scholarship page, and then we will go to this link provided here, the postgraduate online application system. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this page, how you can apply to a postgraduate program. Okay, and there is another link on this page. So when you click on this page, it will redirect you here, and that is where you start with your application process. So you enter your email address, you create a password, you confirm, and then you start with your application. So that is it. So if you're a new applicant, you use this. If you have logged in before, you use the second box here to log in and continue with your application. So this is basically all that you need for you to apply to the Alan and Nestor Ferguson Charitable Trust Master's Scholarship Program. Do also let me know if you're finding any difficulty, or if you have any question in the comment section, let me know. And don't forget to like the video, like it. I have so many scholarships also, so you can go through my channel. I have so many scholarships that are currently ongoing, so please do want to go through it and start with your application. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please do want to click on the subscribe button.